Hello, welcome to Nadia Workshop. It's holiday time now, and we're going to make a snowman doll. We start with the head. Trace the head pattern on two layers of white fleece fabric. Sew following the pattern that we have traced. Cut using zigzag scissors, then turn inside out. Let's continue with the body. The process is the same as the head, just with a slightly different pattern. Before sewing, mark the area where we will make a hole to insert the stuffing. Then sew, cut and turn inside out. After the head and body are done, we continue by stuffing it with Dacron. And once it's full, we close the hole with a hidden stitch. Next we join the head and body with hidden stitch. Pin it first to make it easier. After making the body, let's move on to the scarf. We use waffle fabric measuring 7 by 25 cm. Fold the fabric lengthwise, sew, turn, and secure the ends. Place the scarf around the neck and sew it.
Okay.
For the nose, I wanted to use a carrot nose, like Olaf's nose in the Frozen movie. We will make a cone shape from orange cloth. Use scissor tip when flipping to make the tip pointy. Stuffing with Dacron and sew the base. Using thread, make lines crosswise to look like grooves on a carrot. And finally, join the nose with the head using hidden stitch. For the hands, we use crochet. Alternatively, you can roll up small pieces of cloth to form hands. We will make two parts, a branch and a twig. Fold and sew to make a tube. Join them together to form the letter Y. Once the hands are done, join them with the body. We continue by embroidering the eyes. For toque, we use waffle fabric and fleece fabric. The size of both fabrics is 23 by 9 cm. Watch the video to see the steps. Fold in the fleece fabric about 2/3. Place the top on the head for fitting and fold out the fleece fabric. Pin the folds, remove from the doll, and sew using a hidden stitch. Continue by sewing the top of the top to close it. Cut a cloth into a circle with a diameter of 6 cm. Back stitch the sides, fill with Dacron, then sew to form a small ball. And finally join at the top of the top. Basically we're done, but we're going to add a little touch to make it even cuter. We will attach buttons on the front side of the body. I use buttons from coconut shells. And to make our snowman happy, we add a big smile on his face. And our snowman is completed. Thanks for watching. Like and share if you like this video, and subscribe our channel if you haven't already. Bye!